Today I will show you how to germinate jackfruit seeds. This is first method. In this method, you have to place all jackfruit seeds in plastic bags for 15 days. After 15 days, it will start to germinate. This is second method. In this method, you have to place all seeds in one soil bag. Now you can see the germination after 15 days. In this method, the quality of seed is much greater than a quality of seed in a plastic wrap bag. Now I will show you the germination process. Slowly it will open the half area of seed. Then it will open slowly and plant started growing. This is the seed germination process. You can buy this bag from Amazon in different sizes and shapes. So as per your requirement, you can buy it from Amazon. Place all germinated seeds in one pot. It will save your time at the time of plantation. See, all seeds are germinated very well. For plantation, you need small plant bag, good quality soil, vermicompost and organic fertilizer. Take one plastic bag, open it very well. Then with the use of boxing thumb or boxing hand position, press the bag towards downside so that it will help her to create good shape. Then take soil and fill only 1/4 area of the bag. Tap a bag on ground so that soil will fit inside nicely. Then press the soil very nicely so that it will create a strong base. Then again fill the soil in 2/3 area. Again tap it very well. Then take a seed, place it in the center . Then take organic fertilizer in a small quantity and spread around seed. Also pour little amount of vermicompost too. Then again take a soil and fill very well 3/4 area. Remove unwanted things from soil. Then again tap little bit so that soil will fit nicely. If you require little more soil after tapping, then add it. Remove unwanted things from soil. Again tap it little bit so that soil will fit nicely. If you need more soil, add it. Again tap it. Tapping helps us to settle soil nicely and perfectly. Now take spray bottle and spray around tree very softly and gently. If you don't have spray bottle, no issues. You can water in via plastic bottle or mug. Also, keep two things in mind. One, do not overwater, and second, and very important, is do not pour water from height. Because of pouring a water from height, it will damage the roots of plant.